Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, please do drop a like and subscribe to the channel. I've got this amazing giveaway for those who sign up to ByBit down below using my link. I've partnered with them to offer a free $500 airdrop trading position on their platform to do with as you choose. If you sign up in the next 70 days using my link down below in the description and deposit $100. I've personally used it to take a 3x leverage long on Dogecoin. And if it hits $1, I think I'll make around 15k for free, which is absolutely insane and definitely worth checking out for those who want to get into the market with minimal risk. You just literally deposit $100, you can redeem the airdrop and then use it. And basically, it's completely risk-free because they cover the loss. So no reason not to do that. Go and sign up below. We're taking a look at Polygon then. Very interesting chart. Looking like we're finally breaking to the downside after going sideways for such a long time. Man, we are getting into some juicy entries now for Polygon, in my opinion. So many people saying this is a dead crypto, and my goodness me, I would absolutely love it if we bounced from this area. We are in a huge area of demand. Obviously this isn't the full price history because my previous chart, for some reason, I don't know which platform was it? Was it KuCoin, Bitfinex? There was one platform basically. Jesus Christ, this is definitely not the right chart. Basically, the price action, obviously, we were down at around 1 cent, weren't we, in the previous market. We went up to $3, 300x off the lows, insane price gains. Come back down to around 35 cents right now. We're around 10x back to the all-time high of $3-ish. Getting down towards that bear market range low extreme. You can see we are extremely overextended here, clearly in an area of big demand because we have been bouncing here over and over. We are trickling to the downside again with these small candles, these huge bullish divergences coming in at the lows here. The desire for Polygon to be selling Polygon at these levels. I think this is mostly just going to be leverage longs getting liquidated, to be honest. I don't think that many people are going to be selling their Polygon at these lows. You can see quite clearly on the charts that we have got our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the downside for our big altcoin move that we did see recently. Since then, we have been having a bit of relief for a lot of altcoins, but Polygon actually coming down, making a lower low here. Very interesting price action. You can see those crazy bullish divergences coming in here. I wouldn't be surprised if we get a big reversal once we see Bitcoin breaking out from this area. Bitcoin very much looking like it wants to be breaking out and continuing. You can see, in my opinion, I drew my resistance from the first 2 points of contact here. We've tested this resistance 6 times, broken through, back tested, bullish market structure in the local area for Bitcoin in and around the previous all-time high from last bear bull market. Very much looking like this is going to be running up soon in my estimation. I think gold right now is having a bit of a retrace and pulling the markets down. But Polygon here, I mean, my goodness me, what an opportunity. Even just a 10x back to the all-time high is a great opportunity. Definitely something that's possible in this cycle. I'm not saying that's going to happen. I'm just saying that it's very likely that we do see some big retracement from this down massive area of supply. A retracement back up towards the all-time high in this bull market, very likely. I've been accumulating this for some time because I do believe that this is going to have a decent bull market. I've been accumulating a lot of the top 20 just as a nice little hedge portfolio of the market. I do think this is going to do really well going forward in line with the whole market. Overall, nothing to report here apart from the fact that we are in a big area of demand. And as soon as altcoins bounce, this is probably going to bounce very hard in my opinion. Make sure to sign up to ByBit and get your 30k bonus down below. Massive prizes at the minute for depositing $100. Bitrue are also offering 50 USDT for depositing. Or if you're looking for a non-KYC self-custody exchange for trading, Alpha X down below in the description as well. And like and subscribe for more.